So part 3 of self-care for the caregiver. This one comes from havening, and it's kind of like chilling out the amygdala response. So when you're really activated, you're really triggered, start by crossing your arms, and you take it from the shoulders down, and I usually go to the fingertips, right? And while this in and of itself seems to be self-soothing, there's interesting things that happen, right? It starts to elicit a slower brainwave state. It starts to calm the amygdala, as I said before. It decreases kind of cortisol, norepinephrine, all of that decreases. And you start to get different neurochemicals going through your system. The good stuff, serotonin, oxytocin, GABA. And by doing this, if you can see what I'm doing, and some people use havening by doing their face, right? Where these kind of skin receptors really are hooked into this process. You can Google this, but it's an immediate takedown if you are activated. I, use this with my daughter, and I've used this with many different clients because it's something simple, and I love how a lot of these self-soothing techniques have been around for for a very long time, and we're just now beginning to look into what the hell is actually going on in the body, in the brain, while we're doing these. So here's one. Again, we're going simple here. I'll be doing a whole free workshop for on this topic, March 25th. But this is just a quick thing I can do today to help you out right away. So that was part 3, havening. Try it.